Verbs 2, Octonauts, let's do this. We're going to talk a little bit about contractions, a bit about there, and there, and a little bit about converting verbs into nouns. Let's do this. Contractions. Many pronouns and verbs are written as contractions. They're smaller to write and say. So this elephant is getting contracted or shrunk into a smaller size. And it's the same when we use an apostrophe to join a pronoun and a verb. So he is a pronoun, a word that replaces a noun. We'll learn about a bit more about those later. And he will takes the verb and chops out the WI and puts in the apostrophe. So it's quicker to say, he'll, and it's quicker to write. She is becomes she's, take out the I, put in the apostrophe. They are becomes their, take out the A, put in the apostrophe. And we would becomes we'd. Now while we're here, I wanted to talk about there, and it's a spelling thing I wanted to talk about. This there, hang on a sec, just trying to change my pen, cool. This there is they are, it's the apostrophe, and it's talking about a plural of people, they, many people, they are. Then we've got this one, which means over there. It's the place, and it's got the word here inside it. So that's how I remember that one. And the last one is there. And that's the one that means ownership. It's their pencil, it's their bag, and it's got the letter I inside it. I don't know if that helps you think about owning something. It's mine, I own it, it's theirs. So it's referring ownership to someone. Make sure you use these correctly in the sentence, please. Nouns can be used as verbs. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it's true. The only time that you might get tricked by this is perhaps in an exam and they'll ask you a question about it. So let's learn the tricks. You've got to look at the context. So here, I will water my new pot plant. Well, ask yourself, what are you doing in that sentence? You're watering. It's not like you're looking at a lake or the ocean of water. You're watering. That's the thing you're doing. So that's the verb. Your new pot plant is the thing that's sitting on the shelf or the table. It's a thing you can touch. So that's the noun. Did you sleep well last night? What's the thing you're doing in that sentence? You are sleeping. So that's the verb. Now, part C, Ella went for a swim. The thing you are doing is that you went. That is the verb, which makes the swim the name of the thing. So it's the noun. The next three parts, I went for a walk, and D and E. So I went for a walk, D and E can be answered in the Google Doc. So have a look at that and see if you can answer it. It's an extension activity.